Windows 10 is officially coming to an end next month, which means it's time for an upgrade. But wait guys, hang on a minute, that does not mean that you have to upgrade your Windows straight away. If you're happy with your PC that's running perfectly fine, then there's no need to upgrade. However, when upgrading to Windows 11, it means that you're going to get more software support, you're going to get more features, a redesign of the user interface. You're going to get everything of that. If you're still happy with Windows 10, just leave it as it is. But if you are going to upgrade to Windows 11, there's some things that you need to make sure that is compatible for your PC. Your PC needs to run on a 64-bit processor along with the 64-bit operating system. It also needs 8GB or more RAM along with 64 gigs of storage space. It also needs something called a TPM, which is like a security chip, along with secure boots, which you may find it in the BIOS settings. If it's enabled, and if the TPM is compatible, then it's a tick for upgrading to Windows 11. But Microsoft does have some restrictions when it comes to upgrading to Windows 11. That means if you have an outdated TPM or a secure boot size that is disabled, then you can't do that unless you bypassed it. That's by either using the reg key, and oh my god, it's going to be a bit of a faff, and who knows, you're going to mess up the operating system. And second is to download the installation media from Microsoft's official website, along with flashing the media file onto the USB using Rufus. There is a feature that Rufus will bypass the requirements, and that will allow you to install Windows, and then once it's done, then I think you're able to upgrade it. I haven't got a USB drive for myself, so I wouldn't take the risk on upgrading Windows 11. And also, just reference, this is the laptop that my parents use. I don't typically use that as much, but I mainly use my MacBook. So that is what you need to know about upgrading to Windows 11, followed by the bypass method. As I said before, if you're happy with Windows 10 running on your system, then just stick around with it.